Hey guys, Rob the Plumber here. Today I got a smoking deal. I bought all of this wire for $22.50 at a hardware store garage sale. I got some 6'3" burial cable. That normally sells for $5.29 a foot. Got over 70 feet of it here. Tons of household wire. Well over 100 pounds of wire here. I'm sure by the time it's stripped it'll be 70 pounds of copper. I'm not going to scrap these rolls here. This is burial cable, and I will sell this online for the pieces that are good with no nicks in it. The rest I will scrap. These are pieces that are too short for them to sell. They had all these rolls lying outside on the floor or on the concrete, and I asked the guy how much for the big thick rolls, and he said $20. I threw out $20 right away, and I asked him how much for the remainder. It was near the end of the day. He said $2.50, just take it out of here. No problem with that. Just goes to show you do not need to steal wire to make money in scrapping. You just got to know where to look and what the value of everything is. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video.